Well, on this hot and humid day, I've been drinking a lot of water, but I decided to find a cool spot to relax as well. So how about a lake in Swamico? That really hits the spot, I would have to say. All right, temperatures tomorrow, not quite as hot as what we saw today, but pretty close. Most of us will see temperatures in the lower 90s. After that, a cold front moves through, and that means cooler conditions will start to work in, especially by the time we get to Saturday. Highs will drop down into the 70s. Right now, if you live along the shoreline of Lake Michigan, you have Mother Nature's air conditioning, but further inland, temperatures are in the lower to mid 90s. We've got 95 right now in Fond du Lac. That is the warm spot. In Green Bay, the temperature is 90, but of course the heat is only half the story. Dew points are in the 70s. You've heard the phrase, it's not the heat, it's the humidity. Well, today it's definitely both, and when you combine the heat with the humidity, it feels much hotter out there. The dew point, 72 right now in Appleton, but the temperature is 93 degrees. So that means the heat index is 101. The heat index is summer's equivalent to winter's wind chill. That's what it feels like outside right now, and it currently feels like 102 in Watoma. So we still have that heat advisory up throughout the evening until 8 o'clock. We're on the northern edge of a pretty hot air mass. Take a look at what was going on to our south today. We had temperatures in the upper 90s in Chicago, St. Louis, mid 90s in the Twin Cities, also in Des Moines, Iowa. Pretty similar to what we saw here. The warm front moved through earlier today, but now we're turning our attention to a cold front, and that cold front is definitely going to cause some problems across the state of Wisconsin as we head into tomorrow. There's much cooler weather behind that front, and it's going to slam into this heat and humidity, and that means thunderstorms. Now, well out ahead of that front tonight, there's a chance for a few scattered showers or thunderstorms late tonight into tomorrow morning. The Storm Prediction Center does have us under a marginal threat for severe weather, and that means if we do see some storms, there is the potential that they could be on the strong to severe side. You can see there on the high-res future radar, the best chance of that is going to be north and west of the Fox Valley. After we get past that chance tomorrow morning, we'll break into some sunshine by the afternoon. And then after highs in the lower 90s, we'll have a good chance of storms. Here's a look at the high-res future radar as that cold front moves through. And you can see lots of oranges, reds, and pinks on there. And that means, yes, we do have the threat for severe weather. Not only that, it's an enhanced risk of severe weather put out by the Storm Prediction Center. These are relatively rare. We don't get them that often, so you have to pay special attention to them. It means all types of severe weather is possible, including several tornadoes. Some could be strong, numerous reports of wind damage, and also hail over 2 inches. June is the peak of severe weather season here in Northeast Wisconsin, and tomorrow is the middle of June. So really, if you had to pick one day out of the entire year that climatologically would have the best chance for seeing severe weather, that day would be tomorrow, so we need to keep a close eye to the sky. I'll be all over it from the NBC 26 Weather Center throughout the afternoon and evening. You can see so far this year we have not had any tornadoes in central and northeast Wisconsin. Hopefully that does not change for tomorrow. Besides the threat for tornadoes, though, destructive winds, damaging hail, deadly lightning, and flooding rain are all possible. Seek shelter if a warning is issued. So tonight, maybe a thunderstorm late, otherwise warm and muggy. Tomorrow, hot and humid with a good chance of thunderstorms as we head into the afternoon and evening. Some could be severe. A little bit cooler behind the front on Thursday, but more noticeable will be the drop in humidity. 80 on Friday, 75 on Saturday. And then after that little break of cooler and more refreshing air, the heat and humidity is going to build back in once again for Tuesday and Monday of next week. All right, now I thought about jumping in at the end of this live shop. I'm not going to, but somebody else is here at the end of
Housing costs are going up and pricing many people out of the